ka.
I will not show myself that I will.
Ang aga daw natin mag-lunch. 10 pa lang kasi.
Hindi kami nag-breakfast.
Hindi kami nag-brunch siya, brunch.
Ano may ulo ko?
Eh?
Teka lang, hindi pwede makita yung alak sa taas. Sabi, tanggalin mo nga. Ano yung live. Hindi man alak yan eh. Juice yan eh. Kala ni TikTok alak. Pati pa yung... Ayan. Yung corned beef, last week pa yon. Late lang upload.
I'm the reader of comments. Someone is asking, where did you buy the spoon and fork?
Ay, hindi ko alam saan nabili yung spoon and fork.
Yung-
Say hi to Tita
yung
Zeng.
utensil.
Tita Zeng said hi. Pwede na ba isama si Boom sa live? Hindi pa. Mag-hi ka na lang. Pakita mo.
Hello.
Pawi,
Pakita ka.
Pawi. One down, one more to
Ay, ang cute. O sige, kain ka na ba?
Wait.
Ang cute naman ng mga containers pang sari-sari store.
Mm-mm.
Titinda kami dito. Kung gusto niyo bumili. Deliver.
Ano deliver? Ito, hindi pwede ito tindahan. 14th floor.
Anak niyo po, yes. Can you imagine? I already have a 10-year-old son. Tignan niyo, ang laki niya na. Pakita ko siya.
But my hair is messy.
Ano na siya, pa-teenager na. Conscious na siya. May crush ka na ba?
No.
Share mo nga sa kanya lang, may crush ka na.
I have no. Yellow.
Ba't wala kang crush?
Pantera ka sa TV bag, pantera ka sa bag. Oh.
Oo.
No.
Oh.
Tapos,
Oh, tapos?
connect yun.
Anong connect nun?
Anong connect nun?
Wala siyang class.
Anong rice ko? Ano? Brown rice. How many kids do I have?
2. Oh, yes, we live in condo. 14th floor, most
Do not say the address.
I'm not saying where we live. I'm just saying we live in a condo. That's it.
Ang sarap ng sabaw.
Sabukan din natin mamaya. Ay, pwede ba?
How many? I will there.
Laos ka daw, Mi. Hindi naman ako sumikat. Paano ako malalaos? Ano ako, artista?
Ay, may nagtanong.
Ano
Do
talaga?
I say this? Or do I whisper it?
If it's not nice, just don't say it.
No, it's like a question.
Mm.
Miss, nag-calorie deficit po kayo.
I don't count my calories. Pero, I'm mindfully eating.
Si Tita Zeg, she said, at why may activity kami sa office.
Yeah, I have work today. I go to the office. Maliligo na nga.
Hay, nagko-question na saan po binili yung container sa likod.
Ito, i-affiliate natin yan. Hanapin namin ito.
Ay, may nagpapitingin kay popcorn.
Mamaya na nahimik
Wow.
na.
Tutulog siya. Huwag niya distrubuhin.
Thoughts daw kay Dennis Padilla. Oh my God, pinagchichismisan namin ni Bebe kanina yan. Triggered ako dito kay Dennis Padilla talaga.
Nagda-diet po kayo, ate?
Talaga. Saludo kay Marjorie. At least nagsalita na siya. Ay, sabi ko sa inyo. Can relate.
May
Talaga,
tote
can
bag.
relate.
Sabi daw, may tote bag pa po. Wala na.
Wala na yata. Sa bundle siya, guys, eh.
Ay,
Yes.
finally done.
Cute! Cute.
Should I say this question?
If you think you're not supposed to say it, don't say it.
No, I want to whisper it to you. Ay,
Okay lang. Ano kasi yun yung pain over power? Ano ito, maganda at malakas. Yeah. Ang cute mo daw. Cutie!
Siyempre, binata na yan. Kaya ka ni Bumog, kinakain yung buntot.
Ay, gusto ko yung
Ako
buntot eh. Dati nga favorite ko yung chan eh.
what's your go-to cheat meal?
Naga.
I don't call them kasi cheat meal eh. Basta kinakain ko lang ang gusto kong kainin.
Ano ko naman ba? Ha?
Isa.
Siyempre.
Pero, nagbago na kasi yung meal plan din namin sa bahay. Parang most ng kinakain namin is fish, chicken, lagi na rin kami nagugulay.
I'm trying to limit processed foods.
Yeah, si Boom kasi naging conscious na rin siya. Tsaka mas healthier na kasi kami dito sa bahay. Di ba, Bam? Kahit tinan nyo yung mga snacks nila, hindi na sila masyado nagsasnacks.
I don't make it more. I do
Yeah.
not like Oreo anymore.
Lagi na sila nag-yogurt, fruits, ganyan. So, conscious eaters na rin sila ngayon.
Can you make it big?
Hindi nyo mabasa. Ayan.
Sabi daw, Miss Dina, please visit our Cosmo Butte, Philippines.
Something.
Philippines, powered by Cosmo of Asia on
June 4.
on June.
May sinasabi, hi Bambi, don't show your face! Your face is on the camera.
That's just my hair.
Mag-hi lang kayo, mabilis. Hi!
Ma'am, go back to your seat. I'm your teacher. Go back to your seat.
Ah,
Go back to your seat.
No,
ano?
this is Dina's table.
Bis nila benta mo ng trinket. Ingit ako sa my free, please.
Abangan nyo, guys. Kasi,
Sabi daw, Miss Dina, kailan ka magpa-buy one take one ng Brow Boss?
Bestie.
Brow
walang stock si Brow Bestie ngayon.
Sold out. Oh wait, I have a question about your stocks. What workouts do you usually do that's because friendly something?
Basta low intensity workouts. Dapat hindi masyadong matagal na, mataas yung heart rate mo. Pupunta ka mamaya, Miss Dina. Saan ako pupunta?
Ewan. When new first formula product, Miss Dina, by redesign na sa logo?
Within the year.
I do not know about this, but what's the question?
Si Claudia. Claudia, no? Claudia, pangalan. Basta, chismis siya sa showbiz. Hindi ako left-handed, naka-mirror lang yung phone.
Ma'am, move! You're fixing in my place.
Saan na po next time mapili na? Kamusta po ang co-parenting niyo?
Ay, parang may business chat dito.
May ano?
Okay,
Mindanao High watching from
Mahal po ba
Island.
talaga
Maging healthy. Alam niyo sa Pilipinas, mahal maging healthy, no? Kasi mas mura yung yung mga unhealthy na food. Investment siya, I would say. Oo, barado daw ilong mo, Bambi. Oo, may lagnat nga siya. Lagnat ba o sinat na lang? Isipon silang dalawa.
But I'm getting better.
Christina, are you taking supplements for PCOS?
Yeah, I'm taking inositol. O, kaya mo yan, girl. Isimun niya ka muna kaya.
Inositol. Mag-lunch na kayo. Ito yung lunch namin. Sabi ko nga, kakakain
Girl,
ko
eat
lang.
kang gulay.
Kakakain ko lang kanina, sabi ko.
Mama, get ka ng
Ano ba
squash.
yan? Kakakain ko lang.
Very good. Get kang squash.
Kasi I don't like the sauce around it.
Bagoong yan, girl.
I don't like it.
Bagoong makes it better.
Yeah, bagoong makes it better. O magkangkong ka.
Are you still using Ozempic? Ozempic?
I don't wanna answer that because they use my content.
Hmm. Where do you buy your inositol? Should I say it?
Wala, sold out sila ngayon. Ayan, na-sold out sila, guys.
Kasi nag-affiliate si Mommy.
What's inositol?
For my PCOS, di ba? The one I'm explaining to you.
But it's pure form.
Mm-mm.
Hindi, ano pala yung
Girl, maggulay ka, girl. Ikaw din, hindi ka nagugulay eh. Maggulay ka.
Pero,
Miss nga. Yeah. I believe Marjorie Barreto. I'm so triggered by Dennis Padilla talaga. Tsaka hindi ko gets yung mga nagko-comment na yung shame si Marjorie, mas pinaniniwalaan niya yung tatay na walang ambag sa buhay ng mga anak niya. Very problematic. 'Di ba? Parang he's making the wedding about him. Buti nga in-invite guy. 'Di ba?
correct, haha.
Oo, buti nga in-invite siya dun sa wedding nung anak niya kahit na wala siyang ambag. And every time, parang lagi nagpapa-interview, ganyan.
Me waiting for Bambi.
He wants attention. Parang he's projecting yung mga sarili niyang pagkukulang sa mga anak niya na parang that says more about him than his children, to be honest. And honestly, it gives us a glimpse of what kind of father he is, right? What a shame.
Mommy,
Diba? Yes.
I have another real tattoo. I just get the pen and then I draw it.
Okay.
What's your fave book po?
Ay, hindi ako nagbabasa ngayon.
Ha?
Hindi ako, I'm not reading now.
Not even your own book.
Ah, my favorite book is my own book. Correct.
I root for something, rooting for
Me.
Rooting for me? Basta sa mga comment na to.
What if you affiliate your own brand?
I'm affiliated with my own brand, but I don't get a commission.
Wait,
Ay, bakit?
I forgot that.
Yeah, syempre, conflict of interest yun.
Comments. Maglabas ka ulit ng tutwag, please. Please, Rosalie.
Sold out na ba yun? Yung Sunkissed Summer Bundle?
Wait, you already released it?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a question that I will not say.
Ano?
Ay, kasi you already revealed it, right?
Are you dating someone?
Yeah. Yeah, I already saw him.
So lang?
You saw him?
Yeah, I saw him.
So lang ha? Yun lang ha?
Saglit
Yeah,
lang.
so-
One
Saglit
second
lang ha?
Yeah, like,
One second
Wala nga,
lang.
like, hey bro, ganun lang ha?
Ganito lang. What's up, bro?
Ganun lang ha?
but he's the one. But he's gonna stay. Should I reveal?
No.
On how much I saw him?
Just tell them na parang, do you like him? Or do you like him?
Yeah, I like him.
Is that the diet
But sometimes
Coach
he's forceful.
gummy candy?
Forceful
Mommy?
what? Forceful to
Mommy,
eat
sabi
healthy.
Mommy, sa...
Ay, once we're talking about him, he calls.
Give me water. Okay.
Mommy, someone said, is that the diet coach gummy candy?
This one, PR kit sila, guys. Sila nanay kumakain.
Which one?
Ito. Yan. I tried this na before.
Masarap yan, Bam.
Try mo.
Di pa natin natikman yung
Gummy
mango.
siya na may
How to
vitamins.
stay consistent with fitness journey?
Totoo ba yan? Boom. O, sabi ni Ate Casey. Sabi mo,
Yung
nakita
ano?
mo lang eh.
Yung ano, saan yung comment na yun?
Mamaya.
Comment that again, I want to read it.
Ha?
Casey, okay.
Ano,
Sino si Ate Casey?
Mm.
Si Casey?
Si Casey, nagdinis. Sinong Casey? Ibang Casey?
Wala.
Ah, may ibang Casey?
How to stay consistent with fitness journey?
Wala, you just show up.
And discipline. Even if you're unmotivated, just do it.
Oh, di ba? Correct. Kanina, I was unmotivated, so I did not work out. What are the children's thoughts on your boy Fee? Oh.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Good.
Sabi daw, love you.
I only saw him for like a second.
Ah, really?
Yeah, I only saw him for like a second.
Come here, boy.
Nagbubulungan na sila.
Ay, nako.
May matapon ah.
Sold out na pala daw yung summer bundle. Sa summer bundle lang kasi kasama yung tote, guys.
Oh,
Ay, wag kayo dito mag-ganyan-ganyan.
You're the reason I can wear swimsuit freely.
I'm not the reason. You're the reason. You're the reason. I just planted the seed in your mind.
May sabi, love you, Miss Nina, followers since 2018.
Thanks, guys.
I read that.
Miss Nina, i-release na yung ang powder, please.
This year, malapit na yan.
When?
Hi,
Ang,
Miss...
ang
hi,
ganda ng mindset ng mga anak mo.
May sabi daw, hi, Miss Nina, ang payat mo.
Thank you. Parang hindi naman ako payat, pero mas fit.
OMG, thanks for reading my comment, kiddos, something. It just disappeared instantly.
Your kids are like you, matatalino. Yes. They took after me.
There is a chance po mag-release na naman yung tote bag. Ulit?
We shall see. Hindi ko alam kung may natira pa sa warehouse eh.
Miss Nina, no affiliate po. Hindi po ako hihingi ng fake samples. Tapos sabi daw, penging something that I forgot.
Sabi daw, you're glowing, Miss Nina. It just disappeared.
Nino,
May taga-read ng comments how much talent fee nyo.
ano talent fee? I cannot see.
What's a talent fee?
Ano out there? The one at the top.
You're a very reliable social media manager.
Mommy, what's a talent fee?
Sabi ni Tita Casey, boom, ano na? Totoo, bet mo?
Sino?
Sino? Ay!
Oy, Casey, manahimik ka. Bambi, baka magmaktol din dad mo. Pag hindi daw naglakad sa aisle.
Miss Nina, do affiliate po. Hindi po ako nanghihingi ng free samples. Penging confidence.
Kaya mo yan, girl.
Sabi daw, Miss Nina, you're glowing very Latina. What's your secret?
Happiness.
And the natin.
Doon na, ako yung may iPad.
So, what's your secret?
Tago ko siya sa iPad.
Ay, that's...
Okay, doon sa isang phone.
Mami,
Yung isang phone.
do you answer this? Do you answer this?
No.
Are you gonna call him?
Yeah, nagko-call siya.
Okay. But on another phone. Hi, Lo. We're on live.
Ay, wait lang.
Ay, wala siyang connection.
Parang ako yan.
Woo!
Hi! We're on live.
We're on live. We're on live. Right there. Here, right there.
Right.
Mommy's library.
You're live now?
Yeah. We're live.
I just wanted to show you the temples. Oh, yeah, fine.
Bale, i-show Bambi. Yan. Tour ka niya.
It's
Doon ka doon.
learn the culture.
Please, lagi niyo po sila isali sa live ang sisipag magbasa, ha?
Look at this.
Yes, beach na ako. Di ba, sa Holy Week, magbi-beach kami.
A temple.
To the temple, you can drink like this.
Hay nako, temple.
Temple daw.
Ang bis nila try surfing, wahaha.
Parang hindi ko kaya.
Boom, sali ka.
Oy, boom! May mission ako sa'yo, ah. Sa beach, you have to take that trending beach photo of me. We will not stop until we get that one winning photo.
Ano trending po?
Mamaya i-show ko sa'yo. Nag-save na ako ng mga peg ko, ha? Ikaw magpipicture, ah.
Fine.
We will not stop until we get that photo, ha?
Fine.
Dapat I'm like hot mama, ganon. Ha?
Fine. This is gonna be a vacation of torture.
Yes.
Ano po next beach nyo?
Temple.
Don't say it.
No, I'm not gonna say it. Basta beach.
Basta Pilipinas.
Oo, basta Pilipinas. Petition to give Bobo and Bobby a talent fee.
Talent.
What's a talent fee?
I know.
Never heard that two words in my whole life. Oh, but I heard fee. I know fee.
Where are you?
You said
Is that where we've been before, or this is a new one?
No, it's my favorite ones.
Favorite.
Miss Nina, balik
But
kayo
you just see
dito.
the same thing over and over again. You don't see
Miss Nina,
anything.
balik kayo dito sa source call.
Balik natin bang
Are you asking if the beach is there? If yes, no.
No, they have a river. Let me show you the river. They have a river front.
Bakit nagtatanong ng ganyan yung mga tao dito sa
Kaya
ano ba yan?
How old is Bumpo 10?
Bale, my love.
Sabi
I'll call you
daw-
later.
Mommy, sabi na, what's your... Should I say it?
No, do not say it. I
I
already
love
know
you.
it.
Vale, love.
Huh?
No, I'm not sure what Bambi was about to say, but
Bye-bye daw, ah.
Miss Nina, ano po primer for first base?
Bye.
Mami.
love you, my love.
Love you, bye.
May nagtanong!
Mommy.
Ano po primer for first base?
Secret. Mamimit nyo rin soon.
So, Mommy, do you answer this?
Ano yan? What is my lightest weight? I don't even remember. Mga 115 pounds siguro. Lightest.
115 pounds?
Oo.
I'm so close to your weight na.
Pero hindi ako 115 pounds ngayon.
I'm 90. Miss Nina, hi Miss Nina, water base or silicone base po yung first base?
Silicone base.
Ang daming base. Agawang base.
Mama, magkamay na ba?
Your kids are so considerate of your feelings, Miss Nina.
Yeah, because I'm considerate of their feelings too. Would you say I'm considerate of your feelings? Uy.
Anyways, I'm gonna go continue
Okay,
that
there.
Lego.
Can you block this one?
Yeah. Bakit nagtatanong ng ganito mga tao? Hindi naman.
Grabe naman mga questions nila.
Diba? That's why you have to learn social media etiquette.
Sabi
Ay,
na
disco.
restock.
Ay, disco.
Mommy, sabi na restock YouTube is here.
I don't know what is a tutu.
Oy, i-restock na namin.
Ano nire-restructure na si Tutu?
Yeah, i-restock na namin yung mga color bonds. Get mo yung mga color bonds. I-swatch natin.
Miss Nina, swimwear Ricos. What's that?
Magtanong na lang kayo guys ng question for the kids. Like, ano yung mga advice nila, ganon. Because the kids, they're very insightful, they're very smart. Ano mga gusto mong itanong nila sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam.
Na parang... Color bonds, the blush, the one that you put on your cheeks.
Boom, are you interested in running your mom's
Oh, yeah. Are you interested in running my business in the future? Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
I mean, it's still a business.
Yeah, the beauty industry is actually dominated by men. Why? Are you interested in running a business in the future?
Only if I don't have one.
Only if you don't have one of your own.
Yes.
So you want to have a business of your own.
I plan on using Shopify.
Ah, you want to use Shopify?
Yes.
Okay.
I already know a lot of
I want
tips
to
now.
swatch it too. I want to swatch it too.
Good morning, guys. Did you guys eat lunch? What did you eat? Kaka-eat lang namin, but we ate tilapia. Hi, Bobby. What grade are you to?
Anong grade mo na daw?
Two.
Boom, what
What
is
is
your
your
favorite
favorite
hobby?
hobby?
Fishing. That's it,
Yeah, he
fishing.
loves fishing. Hobby agad? Ilang beses ka pa rin nag-fish? Hobby agad?
Dalawa lang.
I just fell in love with it.
In love at first sight. Eh. Mary mo na lang yung fishing rod.
Boom, what made you happy today?
Miss Dina, how do you... Oh, wait.
Oh, what made you happy today?
Nothing. I'm always like this.
You're always happy?
Yeah. Miss Dina, how...
What made you happy today?
Yes!
Ay, baliw.
Miss Dina, how do you discipline your kids? I mentioned this earlier. Mommy,
Wait, let's go
Ah.
by two.
Wait lang, quiet.
Mommy, decided on trying to fix our attitude. She grounded us.
Mm-hmm.
And we're washing the dishes now. We're cleaning the tables. We're taking turns. We're cleaning our rooms.
Mm-hmm. Why did you get grounded?
Because you're trying to discipline us.
Yeah.
That's the...
So you understand it naman?
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss Dina, your kids are so smart like you.
Yeah, because super strict ba ako?
Super strict.
Hindi naman ako super strict eh.
Let's just say balance.
Balanced. Okay,
Yeah.
balanced. Glad to hear.
Boom, do you speak in Kapampangan? No.
But he needs to learn in the future.
Yes. Fine.
When he's 99.
Swatch party with Boom and Bambi. Ano yun?
Swatch party. Swatch natin tong...
I lighted up my name. I mean, first name.
Sobrang smart ng kids mo, Miss Dina. Kakatuwa.
Yes, mana sa akin.
Aside from Bobby, who is someone you look up to and why?
Who is someone you look up to and
Mommy,
why?
I'm putting it by
Wait, I'm thinking. Who is that? Wait.
I'll just put them close together.
Who is someone you...
What category?
What category? Any category, I guess.
Fitness?
Yeah, fitness. Okay. Who is someone you look
Fitness?
up to in fitness?
I mean, it's a type of fitness
Okay.
that I'm looking up to.
Okay, what?
There. Okay, I'm first.
Wait lang.
Maganda po.
Yung charm, ano lang po yun, limited lang yun, nakasama dun sa launch live ni
And
Lips.
any Ricos for Morena? Kasi it's my birthday on April 27 and
Recos for Morena. Oh, for blush, si Mochi. For lip screen, get tan or coral. Bagay mo yun, girl.
What's your favorite subject in school? It's either... Yeah, science. It's science. It's science.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why, Bam? Ikaw, if you could have any superpower, what would be? I think I've asked you this na before.
Time travel.
Me too, time travel. Why time travel?
In quizzes, if I get failing
quizzes.
score, I
In
will
quizzes,
I
in
will go back
quizzes.
in time then answer the correct questions.
Time travel. Probably me time
Oh, wait,
travel
wait,
or
wait.
teleportation, yeah.
Mine is perfect reflexes.
What's that?
It's reflexes.
What's perfect
reflexes?
What does that do?
Nothing. Just something.
It's something
Or it's
you can-
either smarts.
Smart?
Super smart.
Super smart?
I never heard of
super
that.
intelligent.
Let's just call it
Intelligent.
intelligence.
That's not a
Both
superpower,
that's
though.
not a superpower. You need to have it to get it. You need to earn
What's
it
your
to
dream
get it.
destination?
What dream destination?
Like a country you want to visit.
I mean, I heard
Like what one?
You, What's your dream
What
destiny?
month?
What month? Any month.
Just pick one.
What nga?
Because it depends on the snow. Okay.
What month?
Any.
Mommy.
Any month, any country.
What month?
Why time travel?
Mommy, you just pick 1 month. Just one.
Why time travel sa'yo, Miss Nina?
Summer.
No. Why time
What?
travel sa'yo?
Mommy, that's a season, not a month.
Why time travel sa akin? Kasi parang time is the only, is it an element na you can't actually buy? Alam mo yun, na parang, pag lumipas na yung time, you can't bring it back. You know, it's so important.
But money
And
you
it's so
can't bring it
scarce. Parang, time is so limited. Like, even our time is limited on Earth, you know? Imagine if you had the power to correct your mistakes or
That's what I said, quiz.
savor a moment, you know?
Mommy,
Or go back to a
Wait.
favorite day. Oh, yeah.
Mommy,
yeah.
I kind of want time travel too, so that if I'm almost dying, I go back when I'm young. I'm very life.
Hindi po kami nagre-reformulate ng products namin na hindi namin ina-announce,
It's a
guys.
snake.
Sorry, I don't know how to. Sorry,
Mommy,
there's a question that I cannot.
Oh, okay. Sige, you can answer this one. Do you want to answer that one? Or no?
That's not even a
I
question.
was supposed to ask. What's my
Mommy, okay.
What would you like to change in the past?
Me?
Yeah.
I would have chosen a better father for you guys. Yeah, that's what I would have changed.
No, let's start at the bottom.
And sometimes I have no feelings at all. Like when the eye doctor said my eyes will never recover since it's genetic. I had no feelings at all. Okay, I just said
You just deal with it, I guess.
Like I just said, okay, I'll just wear glasses forever. That's it.
Yeah.
Forever?
Yeah, this is like.
Or you can get it lasered when you're 18.
What's the laser?
We need to save money and can get it lasered. And then you're gonna have 20/20 vision again. It's called LASIK.
I would actually love to see like inside my glasses but not wear glasses.
Wash, wipe mo yung glasses mo. Labo.
Yeah.
My
It gets
labo?
really dirty. It gets really dirty.
I know. Actually, no, don't buy this washer.
Their glasses, they got it from, ano kasi pangalan nung clinic na? Asian Eye.
Actually, wash it.
Bam, can you get me, color drip?
Okay, now this is super clear.
No, use tissue.
Mommy, it's clear now.
Yeah, it's clear. Can you get me color drip there? Ang dry ng lips ko.
Color drip? Saan yung color drip po?
Diyan.
I don't know. Where is it?
There. Yan.
This?
Down. Sa baba. Baba. Yan. Color drip.
What? Any of this?
Yeah.
Any.
Any.
I'm picking nice.
Nice? I don't like nice. Any other than nice.
Sugar.
Fine. Okay, sugar is okay.
Mommy, look at my glasses, so clear.
Oo nga, clear na.
I also wash my glasses.
And is this an appropriate question to ask?
Oh.
I don't know.
I go the other way.
Co-parenting po ba kayo, Miss Nina?
Answer mo.
Huh?
You can answer if you want.
What's co-parent?
What's co-parenting?
Co-parenting, that the mom and even if the parents are separated,
Oh yeah,
they,
kind of.
no, they do 50-50, they help each other.
Wait, Manak asked, if you have a magic pencil, what would you draw that could come to life?
If you had a magic pencil, what would you draw that could come to life?
Let's just say, giant poodle!
Giant poodle, a giant poodle.
Yeah, big nugget.
But we have to let Bambi draw it so it's nice. Because if you draw it, it's gonna...
I will draw money.
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 Money to buy the giant poodle.
Any thoughts po as sa ons after first
I
date?
don't read
know
that.
what's odds?
Huh?
What's odds?
When you're an adult na.
Mami, sabi lang, kasi may nakita ako little. Is it,
Miss
I
Nina,
guess-
normal po ba ang vomiting sa Ozempic?
I don't know. I'm not your doctor.
You asked
I'm
her.
so happy
Oh,
for your
doctor.
little family.
Little. So
Oh,
happy for your
little.
little family.
What makes someone a good friend? That guy keeps on asking
That
superpower
nice naman yung
things.
question eh. What makes a good friend? For me, what makes a good friend is when they're
Friend.
genuine and they're loyal. That's what makes a good friend.
Bell.
Okay, let's watch daw. Papakita namin sa inyo ang shades ng color bounce dahil nag-restock na kami.
How old are the kids na? I'm 10, Bambi's 2. I mean 7.
I'm two. I'm two. I'm two. Mommy, your mom said I'm two.
Okay, let's start with this one.
I'm two eh.
This one is Bien. Swatch, ikaw na mag-swatch girl. Sa kamay mo na lang. Ayan. Sige, swatch mo.
How? How?
Yan.
How?
Mami,
Tingnan
Miss,
mo, that's
Miss
ganyan.
Nina, you familiar? What's that?
Hindi, I'm not a familiar.
What's a familiar?
This is Bien. Okay, next. Nag-study sa Holy Family.
Can I have tissue?
This one is Cheeky.
Do I use this?
Different finger.
What do you want to be when you grow
This one
up?
is Cheeky. Okay, next.
I'm not sure if what
What do you want?
to be.
Oh, you're not sure yet. That's okay. Next. Wag na to. Highlighter. Wag na yan. Blush lang. Ito. Si Love. Love.
But I cannot.
O, ikaw, Boom. What do you think about 50-50 during dates?
What's 50-50?
Like,
They split the bill.
they split the bill. Alam mo. Alam ni Bambi. As a guy, what's your take on that? This is Love.
I forgot how to. I mean,
As a guy, kunyari, you took a girl out for a date. And then you split it 50-50. Is that okay?
most unlikely for me.
Most unlikely for you.
I will not take someone out.
Why?
No, Anna.
Why do you want to think so?
Not planning it. Not now.
Maybe not
I mean,
now.
not at the
Not
future. I
now.
don't
Ano
know.
to? This one is
Well-
Lolly.
Oh, wait, 50-50?
Mm. For me, I don't like 50-50.
Why?
Because I want to be with the provider man.
I have a little similar
That's
answer.
okay.
But probably if you're like partners already, then you can split stuff.
I have a similar answer to you.
Mm.
Parang ano yun, if
This has
the
no
woman
color.
if the woman wants any treatment,
I
any
like pom-pom.
treatment.
Naglo-lotion lang ako.
I like
dun.
pom-pom.
Pom-pom.
That was time for
What's next? What's next? Pom-pom po rin.
Balik mo to, girl. Hindi pwedeng kalat-kalat lang. Balik-balik din.
Here. Here.
Okay, you do it.
No.
I was still in this one.
I'm reading. I'm reading comments. Favorite movie? What's our favorite movie?
The one we watched last time. What was it?
Gaylord? Wait. Little Fuckers?
The movie, Fockers yun. Yeah, we watched that, no?
With the Little Fuckers, like, and Meet the Fuckers. Yeah, it's really weird.
Do they have screen time? They're currently grounded.
Yeah. Because she's like trying to discipline us.
Yeah, Baba, you said that like over and over again.
Yeah.
I mean, I think they just joined.
Answer the question.
I think they just joined.
Just answer the question.
Hi, Miss Nina. Is Colorette hiring?
Yeah. We are hiring.
Hiring what?
A lot of positions, actually.
What positions?
I'll post it on LinkedIn.
Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig. Ollie, what's
Does
next?
Boom want Crabtastic again? Tell them how much you like Crabtastic. The one in the jar. Tell them.
I like it.
How much do you like it?
Sometimes I eat it for ulam.
Yeah. They wanna send you daw. Would you like to receive it?
Okay, yeah.
He's so addict sa crab. Speak Tagalog.
Tagalog is the ethnicity,
Uh-huh.
not the language.
Oh, what's the name of the language?
Filipino.
Filipino. Oh, my skin is so not skinning, oh.
Ollie, what's next? Are you gonna release something called
Boom boom.
Peppa Pig?
Boom boom crabtastic
Influencer.
influencer. Sino yan?
Pakita mo yung Crabtastic mo. Nasa rep.
Ay, kasarap pa?
Alam ko.
Peppa Pig.
Alam, nakita ko dyan nung minsan eh. Ay! Bang!
Also, I'm just having fun. I accidentally putok it. I was trying to remove the tape.
Ay, okay. Okay.
Pakita mo yung Crabtastic mo.
Ito.
Di mo pa pala nauubos eh. Pwede pa ba yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Peppa Pig.
But I can finish this. Alam.
Hindi pa ba expired to?
Hindi ko alam.
Pwede
What does
pa.
it say? Where does it say?
Kanyang Crabtastic.
What does it say? Batch title. Ay, matagal pa to. Pwede pa to sa
Pwede pa sa October.
October.
Is that chicharon? This is not chicharon. It's, puset. Puset and dilis. Pero may chicharon din kami na ubos na.
It's Peppa Pig.
Hello,
Gusto nila-
Celestine.
Ayun.
Who's Celestine?
Also to say. Do you love
Ay,
slow
maliligo
days
na
daw?
ako. Maliligo na ako, Gar.
Then take a
Yes,
bath.
I love slow days.
Bakit po nag-iba consistency ng something?
First base mini, nainitan yan, girl.
Mommy.
Shake mo lang and store it
Make
in
it- we're not
dry
doing
room
anything.
temperature.
Boom, talk to us. Okay, I'm talking to you.
Kaya we get a hi from Boom and Bambi. O, mag-hi daw kayo.
Hello.
Mag-hi ka daw. Ariko, Kelsey.
Ew.
I have work today. Ano thoughts mo, Boom, for your mom's happiness?
Good.
Do you think I'm happier now?
Yeah. Ay, nakita kita, Miss Nina, kagabi sa spit. Ang ganda
Yeah,
mo
ang
po.
saya ng spit, di ba? I love it.
What's Peppa?
For me, I don't actually understand yet.
Yeah, when you're older na, I'll
Yeah,
take
but
you
I was
with
not sama. Mommy just showed me. Hindi ako kasama.
me. Mm. Lagyan kita ng color drip, Boom.
Can you guys
Para di
greet...
dry lips mo.
Ah!
Okay lang to. Makeup is for everyone.
Wait lang. Can you guys greet me? It's my birthday soon.
Happy birthday, eh.
Ano,
Para-
happy advance.
Happy birthday. Para lang hindi dry yung lips mo.
Ayoko!
Makeup is for everyone.
Ah, para hindi dry yung lips ko.
Oh, wala namang kulay.
Ibasa ko.
Ay, bahala ka. Ikaw na lang ba? Antay.
Antay. See, it's not right now. I wet it in water.
Dapat you wear lip balm eh.
Lip balm.
Pag sing natin siyang happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy advance.
Wag na, mahirap pa yun.
Sige.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sing namin happy birthday.
Advance.
happy berry advance birthday to you.
Oh, how's the mood bar daw? Diba did you tasted it?
Yeah, I
This one?
tasted it.
Oh, which one? Diba you like the flavor there?
Yeah.
Which one did you like?
I like the mango flamingo.
Mango flamingo.
Mango flamingo.
What about the chocolate chip? Did you like it or no? No?
Hi, Miss Nina. We have a seminar about PCOS awareness. We would like your support. Do you have relatives in Guagua?
No.
What's Guagua? Is it
Guagua,
a
Pampanga.
place?
Yeah, it's a place in Pampanga.
Mommy,
Miss Nina, do you believe in karma? For me, no.
Yes, I believe in karma. What comes around, what goes around comes around. Tama ba yun?
I don't believe in karma.
Why
I believe
why-
in God.
You believe in God?
Yeah.
I believe in karma.
You look exactly like Kyle. Who?
Karma is in the Bible, sabi ni Dana.
Karma is in the Bible. I do not. What verse is it? What verse is it?
can we make headband?
What's your tattoo's meaning?
Bukas
What's your tattoo's meaning?
Pain over power, maganda at malakas. Do you read the Bible? Sabi niya.
Yes.
No, you don't.
Online.
Only online.
He reads the Bible, I think. Do you read the Bible? You don't read the Bible.
You never gave my kids Bible.
Bakit kasalanan ko?
Only he has a kid's Bible. He
No,
doesn't share it.
I use original, like at the Bible of the day, Bible verse of the day.
Me, I don't read the Bible.
Meh.
We have different beliefs in this family.
Yes. We have
But
different
we respect
beliefs.
each other. Diba?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Haha,
But
she
we're
felt
struggling
judged.
to answer.
Haha, she felt judged for not reading. Marunong ba? No, I do not know how to speak Kapampangan. And even Bambi too.
Guys, paano separate yung tint nyo? Bumihiwala yung water sa oil, just shake it. Kasi may video ko about this. Si First Base, it's a water in oil formulation.
What's your belief, Miss Nina? I think, di ba you're an atheist?
I'm agnostic.
Agnostic. What's agnostic? I forgot.
Mamaya search mo.
Can you just say it here?
I'm agnostic.
You believe in
like,
higher power, but not.
Yeah, I
any-
believe in a higher power.
But not.
But no specificity.
Do you?
Parang I believe more in being a good person than believing in any religion. Yeah. That's my belief. I believe that it's parang mas importante na mabuting tao ka. Ganon.
Do I? Actually, I don't know. Because there is one unforgivable sin in the Bible.
Oh, mamaya mo na pag-usapan yung unforgivable sin.
Okay. When you're gone now, when you're at the CR. Okay. I'm grade 4.
What did you say?
And Bambi's grade 2.
Mommy, where is Lolly?
What? On the first one?
Your kid seems to be so mature for their age. Wow. I don't know.
Yeah, they are smart. They're smart and very open-minded.
Where's Nugget? Nugget,
Yeah.
saan ka?
Gen Alpha na kasi ngayon yan, guys.
Where is it?
Iba-iba po yung scent ni Lip Screen.
Is this the one you picked? Or...
Yeah, that's the one I picked.
Wait, I give you another chance. You have 3 chances, but there's 4.
Nugget is bald
Okay,
now.
show mo si Nugget.
Nugget's bald.
You have 3 choices.
I will put her on the table.
That
Just
one
kidding.
and last one. Okay. Now you only have to pick 2.
Ako, si Nugget, ano yun? When mommy,
Sino mas love ni Nugget, Boom?
me.
Siya.
Wait, pick
Because,
one.
because,
Pick one.
where, like, dati pa to, when mommy gave us Nugget, Nugget kept on following me where I go. Like, it's basically, like, she picked me.
Yeah.
Mommy, what position? First, second, third.
Ah, no, wrong.
Miss Nina,
Yeah,
non-negotiable.
you saw it.
Mommy, Miss Nina,
Again.
non-negotiable yung employees picking employees po daw.
Ano? Non-negotiable?
Yeah.
Mommy, where is love or pom?
Do you like
You have
cats?
to be rock stars.
Do you like cats?
We're not a cat
We're
family.
not a cat family.
Yeah,
We're a dog family.
but we're not cruel to cats
Yeah.
naman. So whenever there's like a kitten na napabayaan, we adopt it and then we nurse it back to health until
Ano we adopt it?
Before, di ba nakapulot ako ng mga kittens? Baby pa kayo nun eh.
Okay. But we don't do it now.
Wala naman tayo napupulot na kitten.
There was. There was.
Yeah. There was.
We're more of a dog family because back when we were in Pampanga, we had like 12 dogs in our house.
Yeah.
It was a dog zoo. Do we still go to Pampanga?
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
The only thing I hear in the morning when I wake up is ow, 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 ow.
Grabe, you're so lucky na, Nathan.
Mommy, okay, where is Lally or Pom?
Hello
I
po,
mean,
what shade can you recommend sa second base concealer if ang first base is La Union?
Mommy, where's love or Pom Pom?
You can go for the onion then if you want.
Mommy, where's Lally or Pom Pom?
Kaputok!
Mom, you're not letting me.
No, not yet, not. Okay, where's Lally or Love? I mean, where's Pom Pom or Love?
Here.
Ma'am,
Okay.
this is,
I
ma'am,
never kept track of it, so I don't know.
ma'am, this is someone that's...
You have 3 choices, go.
Ma'am,
The same.
ma'am,
Go.
ma'am.
Go,
Bambi,
go,
Ano?
go.
One more?
Yeah, one.
Bambi, ma'am.
Uy, quiet.
And then, this is kind of different because there's 2. I'm going to shuffle these again, but this was out.
Drink ka water nga, Bam. Para you need more fluids. Hindi ako nagpapaderma lately eh. Naghahanap ako ng bagong derma in Makati.
My balloon keeps on going to you guys.
Okay, now pick 2 only.
Maliligo na ako.
Ate babe, putukan na tayo.
I need to go to the office.
I need to putukan na.
Magbabay na kayo.
Okay.
Babay ka na.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Babay ka na, Bam.
Read that comment first.
Ano yan? Nagpa-flood siya eh. Nabasa mo na yun kanina.
Hindi yan.
Same lang. Bye! Ay, paano ba to? Bye!